So I saw a group of young people come in who were reasonably disengaged or disheartened or lacking in motivation or disappointed. And I think what I saw by the end of the day was a changed cohort. Attitudes had been changed. They'd had a new lease of life.
The first time going into this course, it was I felt a bit weird. Like I've never been around a group of people and stood up and like just been a bit honest about myself. So I was kind of a bit shy and like taken back. I just wanted to become a spectator and like just observe it. But in the end I didn't do that, you know, I got stuck in.
I'm excited to see what's going to happen by the end of the day.
I wish I took this earlier, you know, especially like in my first year, because some of the stuff I learned has kind of like opened my eyes out to the mistakes that I normally make and how I could just generally go about in my life in a better way.
If I hadn't done grit, I would not be sat here for a start. I would not be able to speak in public because I was terribly scared of speaking in public. I probably would have quit after placement this year due to the stress because I wouldn't have been able to manage.
You go there and you come and get what you need that can make a difference in your life.